Finally, after many months of speculation, we will have the IPL going underway. We all are waiting for it. So, it's September 17, I believe, is the date when you're going to start. And let's hope we're going to have a great tournament in UAE. This time, the equations are different, the situation is different. There are not going to be any spectators in the ground. I don't know if there are going to be cheerleaders around, but whatever it's going to be, cricket is going to be played very fiercely, I'm for sure. So let's see as to which are those teams which will have which have the higher chances to win this IPL. As you all know that normally when if you've seen your predictions, you'll know that I'll always talk about certain captains who have fantastic charts. They will go on to win an IPL title. Mind you, you have to be a legendary cricketer. You need to have a chart which is like fabulous, which is fantastic for you to really go on to be that IPL champion. I mean, it can be a Gautam Gambhir or an MS Dhoni, all those who have won an IPL, starting from Shane Warne. They all had fantastic charts, and they were all born in the strategically the best years. So this time, if you're going to be talking about, I would say that you still have Uranus. Okay, Uranus is very strongly placed now. Uranus is exalted now. So still, even now, an 87 or an 86 born captain definitely has a higher chance. And Pluto, which has created COVID, has actually come into a very, very strong position right now. It's got into exaltation. So I wouldn't be surprised if some 1990 plus born captain also has the chance. Okay, so how we are going to do this is we'll analyze team by team quickly. I'm going to analyze the captains and the coach and the team in general. I'm going to eliminate all of those teams which have no chances to win the title, and then I'll go towards all of those teams which have the chances to win the title. I'm going to name my top 4 and then the top 3. Okay, I'm going to name my top 3. Remember that these top 3 that I'm going to say is not the top 3 in the tournament. They will not be top 3 in the tournament, but they are my top 3 to win the title. This prediction is only about who will win the title. It is not about a prediction for who will go into the playoffs. No, it's not that prediction, so you need to understand that very clearly. I'm talking about who will win the title. Okay, let's go ahead. We'll start eliminating team by team. So, let's get with the first team. The first team which I feel has not got no chance to win the IPL is Rajasthan Royals. The reason is because they have the captain Steven Smith, who's born in 1989. He has not won a title yet, okay, as a captain. See, mind you, the first title was won by Rajasthan Royals, first IPL title, but he was not the captain then. So we're talking about as a captain, Steven Smith has won, he's won the inaugural Big Bash T20 title, but he doesn't have a good enough chart to win this IPL. Also, I mean, they have a good coach. The coach is born on a good day. Andrew McDonald is born on a good day. But because of Steven Smith, I think that the chances are very low. One of these two gentlemen, either Josh Butler or Ben Stokes, if either of the two would have been the captain, then we would have been talking something different. Okay, but because both of them are born in 1990, and the chances of a 1990 born winning an IPL title would have been very, very good. But this time it seems it's not going to be so. I'm very excited about Manan Vora. Okay, Manan Vora is an exciting player. He has a fantastic chart. He was unfortunately stuck with some of the wrong teams. He also was getting injured a lot. He did sparkle it a few times, but then he has never been able to sort of do very well because Pluto, one of the strongest planets in his chart, was not in a strong position till then. Now is a chance for him to shine. So let's see, will he do well this time? I'm sure he will. So I'm going to talk about the next team, and you know what? Yes. Okay, this is a big team, and you know what? I'm talking about a very, very big team here. Kolkata Knight Riders. Yes. I'm talking about the same Kolkata Knight Riders, a very big team. Okay, and I'm eliminating them. I'm saying that they have no chance to win the IPL. I'll tell you the reason why, because 2 reasons. Okay, one is Dinesh Karthik. Dinesh Karthik, I mean, that is I would say, see, Dinesh Karthik has got a chart which is good, okay, but it's not it's slightly, like he's born in 85, and probably, if it had been born maybe a couple of months later, probably his chart would have become that great. He was always been unlucky. He has always been losing out to MS Dhoni or somebody else, and even this time also, I'm sure that he's going to lose out. Okay, so yep. So I would say that Dinesh Karthik will not be able. He doesn't have a chart good enough to go and win an IPL title. Brendan McCullum definitely is a good coach. The team is fantastic. I am really, really waiting for this show by these two S, the Shubman Gill and the Shivam Mavi, and if they fire, it's going to be wonderful. It's going to be spectacular. Mind you, I'm not saying that they will not reach the playoffs. They can reach the playoffs. They can even reach the finals. But if they're going to be against my top three teams, okay, the top three teams I'm going to talk about, then they're definitely going to lose. Okay, so yes, KKR unfortunately is going to lose out and is going to not. The next team, you'll be surprised by this team. Yeah, Chennai Super Kings. Chennai Super Kings இந்த தடவை விசில் போட முடியாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay, Chennai Super Kings, the legendary, the greatest ever MS Dhoni, 1981 born. He has won how many titles? 1, 2, 3 titles for Chennai Super Kings, and mind you, he has also won the Champions League. Okay, I think another 2 times. And Chennai Super Kings is a team which has gone to finals the maximum number of times. So I won't be surprised even if this time they go and reach the finals. But if they're going to be against one of my top 3 teams, then they're going to lose. I would say that in fact Chennai Super Kings has no chance to reach to win the finals, simply because MS Dhoni has achieved everything. Whatever is there, whatever is supposed to be achieved, he has achieved everything. Talaiva is the greatest Talaiva we ever had in Indian cricket. There is no question about that. But unfortunately, all good things has to come to an end. And his best was, when he won the last IPL 2 years back in 2018. Okay, and that's it. That I think is his final hurrah, and I think he can't better that. That's what I feel. So these are those top teams, okay, which I think cannot win. And okay, we'll talk about one more team which also has very little chances to win the IPL, and that team is captained by a young gentleman here. Okay, Shreyas Iyer led Delhi Capitals. So Shreyas Iyer is going to rule. He's going to be here for a long time. Okay. The only thing that is going against him in this tournament is that he is the youngest. There are 2 things that is going. One is he is the youngest, so he can win an IPL title, but probably not this time. Okay, he can win an IPL title. Pluto is in his favor. Okay, but he has got many years to go. He has also got Neptune in a strong position, so probably he can win the next IPL or maybe the next one. He is definitely going to be one of the future contenders. Some of these gentlemen, who are here have to go. And I would like to have some proper, realignment. Probably, Ricky Ponting has also already won an IPL title. Okay, so even if the coach goes, and if you have a slight realignment in this team, I'm sure this is going to be a team which is you need to watch out for. But this time, I feel that probably, okay, may not win it but there is one reason, because there is one gentleman who's also born in the 1990s. And who almost has a similar chart, as powerful chart as him, but he's a little older than him, and that is probably the reason why I'm eliminating him. There is no other reason, okay? But he has got a strong chart. This team will do very well, okay? Mind you that. They may even reach the playoffs. I won't be surprised if they do, okay? Okay, the next team I'm going to talk about now, the top 4 teams I'm talking about, okay? So these top 4 teams, and the team that comes 4th in my list, okay? Why Mumbai Indians is coming for? Mumbai Indians, there is no question about this. This is a beautiful, strong team. Okay, this is a fantastic team. They have bought in Chris Lynn. They have a lot of 1991 guys: Surya Kumar Yadav, Chris Lynn, that Quinton de Kock, who has a fantastic horoscope again. Rohit Sharma is one person whom you can never rule out. Okay, he's got a fantastic horoscope. He has a chart which is like outstanding. Okay, he's an 87 born, and he probably has the best horoscope amongst all the players in the IPL, okay, who are playing at this point of time. He's the best captain that we never had, okay. But the only thing that is going against him is that he's already won 4 IPL titles, okay, and he only won the last time. and he has also already won with 2 titles with Mahela Jayawardene as a coach. So that is the reason I'm putting him in the number 4. Okay, so he's out of my top 3. Okay, but I'm still putting him in the top 4 because I still give him a chance that there's a possibility that he can win the title. This is, maybe a 10% chance. Now let's go into my top 3. One of these 3 teams is what I feel has the highest chance to win the IPL. So my team number 3 is coming up. Yes, it's Sunrisers Hyderabad, led by David Warner. David Warner, born in 1986. He has already won IPL title in 2016. This team is, I would say, this is one team, which they always punch above their weight. This is not a great team. If you look at it, except for David Warner, everyone else is okay. Johnny Bairstow, okay, maybe one good guy. Kane Williamson, yes, he's fantastic. There is no question about that. Okay, you may have a Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Not many would give this team a chance, but then this team has definitely a chance to punch above their weight, and they can really, really do that. Anyone can be a hero, and definitely they will be led beautifully by David Warner, who will lead from the front. Okay, so this guy, together with the England coach Trevor Bayliss, okay, he has got a fantastic chart. He's won only an World Cup recently. He has won many IPL titles also. Okay, but then still, I would say that this team, because of David Warner, okay, they have a fantastic chance. And David Warner, mind you, was born in the year 1986, and he has all those Uranus, the required planets in beautiful position. So great chance. So now team number 3. So my team number 2, okay, is going to be a surprise to many people. And this is one team which many a times, we all of us have been expecting that someday they will win an IPL title, but they never won. And they've always been, flattering to deceive. And we don't know if this time they're going to do it or not. And that team, which I feel this time has got a fantastic chance, is led by our superstar captain, Virat Kohli. Okay, so Virat Kohli, Virat Kohli, you would see that here, that it's mentioned here that he's born in the year 1986. Okay, and mind you, he is born in the year 1986. Don't go by Wikipedia. In fact, some of you would have read my book, How's That? 50 Predictions on Indian Cricket. In this book, I have mentioned how Virat Kohli is not a 1988 born, but he is a 1986 born. So make no mistake, he is a 1986 born, and he has got a fantastic chart, and that is the reason he is Virat Kohli. This team is really, really good. Okay, it can be AB de Villiers or a Shivam Dube. I feel that can do well, and there are so many players. They can really come up together this time. And Simon Katich, they have a coach who also has a very good chart, and he has only won, one Champions League. The inaugural Champions League was won by Simon Katich as a captain. So he has not done much enough. So this team looks like a good team, okay, and only because of Virat Kohli, I would say that they have a chance this time. Okay, having said that, I want to say that I will not be very happy if Virat Kohli wins this IPL. You know why? Because as an Indian, I don't want Virat Kohli to win this IPL, because I want Virat Kohli to save this karmic quota. See, you can't win a lot of titles. Okay, you can. If you're born in 86, you can win more than one title, definitely. But let Virat Kohli save his karma for winning a bigger prize, which is winning a T20 World Cup. So T20 World Cup is coming up in the next year, and I wish that Virat Kohli wins that. And if he doesn't win this, it's okay, right? But then, if he wins this, I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. So now I'm going to the final team. The final team which has got a fantastic chance to win this IPL is, Kings 11 Punjab. Okay, I'm sure many of you must be laughing your heart out. Okay, Kings 11 Punjab. Okay, in fact, Kings 11 Punjab has been given a very, very low rating by the bookies. This is the lowest placed team. This team has got no chances to win according to them. Okay, but I feel that this is a team which can really, really, really come together and deliver some fantastic performance. Okay, don't underestimate the names given here. Okay, maybe like Chris Gale and KL Rahul are the superstars here. Maybe Glenn Maxwell. Okay, but I'll tell you what, Sarfaraz Khan can make this his stage and stake his claim for playing for the country. I wouldn't be surprised if Jimmy Nisham, who has been not playing very much for the Kiwis, come out and do some fantastic all-round performance. I wouldn't be surprised if Krishnappa Gautam does some U-turn. This is a superb team. Even Deepak Hooda can show his finishing off skills. So I'm telling you what, this is a fabulous team. And KL Rahul has gone in the year 1992 and he's got an outstanding chart. He along with Shreyas Iyer are the two pillars who are going to be the future two pillars of India. Like today we have Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, and tomorrow it is going to be Rahul and Shreyas. Okay, these are the two gentlemen who have the best charts in the country amongst the youngsters, and Rahul being the older one, and he is like, he's in the line of order, he's in the pecking order, he's in the higher plane. Okay, and also he has a very good team. And also, there is one gentleman, who can make all the difference. Yes, the great Anil Kumble. Okay, the great Anil Kumble has got an outstanding chart. Uranus is in exaltation. Okay, Pluto in exaltation. Pluto in its own house, and Neptune in exaltation. I mean, this is a superb combination of the coach and the captain. And I wouldn't be surprised if this team goes on to win the IPL. Okay, so let the best team win, but my top three teams who have a chance to win this IPL are Sunrisers Hyderabad, Royal Challengers Bangalore, and of course the Kings 11 Punjab. Let's see what's going to happen. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet, and also click that button, so that whenever I post such predictions, you will get a notice. Thank you.